Regulatory practices play a critical role in every stage of the pharmaceutical and medical technology product lifecycle. It ensures that drugs, biologics, and medical devices meet the highest standards of safety, efficacy, and quality before reaching patients. These practices encompass compliance frameworks, industry standards, and regulatory oversight that influence how products are developed, tested, manufactured, approved, and monitored post market. Regulatory affairs professionals are at the center of this process, ensuring that companies comply with evolving regulations while efficiently bringing products to market. Here are some key areas where regulatory practices have a significant impact, along with the role of regulatory affairs professionals in each. Product development. Regulatory practices guide the design and development of pharmaceuticals and medical devices, ensuring they undergo rigorous testing and validation. Regulatory affairs professionals collaborate with research and development teams to ensure that regulatory requirements are incorporated early in the process, reducing the likelihood of costly redesigns or compliance issues later. Clinical trials and performance testing. Regulatory guidelines provide a structured framework for conducting clinical trials for pharmaceuticals and performance testing for medical devices. Regulatory affairs professionals are responsible for preparing clinical trial applications, ensuring ethical compliance, and managing communications with regulatory agencies throughout the trial process. Manufacturing and quality control, compliance with good manufacturing practices, GMP. For pharmaceuticals and ISO 13485 standards for medical devices ensures that products are produced consistently and meet safety and quality requirements. Regulatory affairs professionals oversee compliance with these manufacturing regulations, support quality assurance efforts, and address any regulatory concerns related to production processes. Marketing and post-market surveillance. Even after market approval, regulatory oversight continues. Pharmaceuticals are monitored for adverse drug reactions, ADRs, while medical devices require ongoing performance monitoring and post-market reporting. Regulatory affairs professionals ensure that advertising and promotional materials comply with regulations, manage adverse event reporting, and support post-market compliance efforts. Economic and innovation impacts. While regulatory requirements can increase development costs and time to market, they also drive innovation, ensure fair competition, and protect public trust. Regulatory affairs professionals play a strategic role in balancing compliance with business objectives by identifying efficient regulatory pathways, expediting approvals, and helping companies navigate global regulatory landscapes. Regulatory submissions and approval processes. Before a product can be marketed, regulatory agencies review extensive documentation to assess safety, efficacy, and quality. Regulatory affairs professionals are responsible for preparing, managing, and submitting these regulatory applications, ensuring that all documentation meets agency requirements to secure timely product approvals. Regulatory affairs professionals play a vital role in ensuring compliance at every stage. Their expertise helps companies to bring safe and effective products to patients.